upon a time in a vibrant kingdom, there lived a kind-hearted princess named Lila. Lila loved nature and had a special bond with all the animals in the forest. One day, while wandering near a sparkling stream, she discovered a tiny, golden bird caught in a thorny bush. Feeling sorry for the little creature, Lila gently freed it. To her surprise, the bird transformed into a beautiful fairy. "Thank you, Princess Lila," said the fairy. "As a token of my gratitude, I will grant you one wish." Lila thought hard and decided, "I wish for peace and happiness in our kingdom." The fairy smiled and sprinkled magical glitter over the land. Suddenly, laughter and joy filled the air, and flowers bloomed everywhere. But sadness fell upon the kingdom when a selfish sorceress named Zara learned of Lila's wish. Jealous of the happiness, Zara cast a dark spell over the land, turning all the joy into intoxicated gloom. The colors faded, and the animals became sad. Lila refused to give up. She rallied her animal friends, a wise old owl, a clever rabbit, and a brave deer. Together, they set off on a quest to find the fairy who had granted Lila her wish. After a long journey, they found the fairy trapped in a crystal cave by the sorceress. With teamwork and courage, Lila and her friends worked together to free the fairy. "Thank you. I can help you break Zara's spell," said the fairy. With a wave of her wand, she spread light and laughter back across the kingdom. The colors returned, and happiness filled every heart once more. Zara, feeling her power weaken, fled the kingdom in defeat. From that day on, Lila became known as the Princess of Joy. She learned the importance of kindness and bravery, and the kingdom thrived in peace and happiness. And they all lived happily ever after.